Hey guys, welcome to Get Response tutorial part 3, where we are going to learn how to create pop-up forms. And there are different kinds of pop-up forms we are going to create today in this video. I hope you will enjoy this video, so be patient a bit and we will create and do a tremendous work. Okay, because most of the people find it very difficult to create pop-up forms, but we will do it very smooth, very easily, guys. Okay, and what is the advantage of get response pop-up form is that the sign up percentage increase by 600 to 800 if you use these pop-up forms on your websites. So let's start with it. Click on create, log in into your website, log in into get response account, and then click on forms, and then click, last time we have clicked on list builder, this time we will click on, okay, as soon as you click on list builder form, if you want to see how it's working and different 7 types of form, I will show it. To click on not use app form, just click on those download box, and you will see how it loads. The first one, that is sign up, how it comes. Second is scrollable. As you scroll down, it keeps on the right hand bottom side of it. Third one is the fixed bar. It fixed in the top bar, and whenever user feel like, he can fill up this one. Download box, he can download a free guide, guys. Okay, and he will see the subscription like this, and he can download it. The fifth one is shaker. As you can see, this is shaking. Just grab the attention of user. Now exit pop-up. Somebody close the website and it's open up. So even if he is going from your website, okay guys, if he is going from your website, even he can still, you can get him signed up. Next is image box. Image box is an image along with the form. If you want that, you can use that one as let me try the fixed bar one, which is a pretty good one for a blogging website, guys. If you have a good blogging, you have a good content, use this one. This work one tremendously good. Let me try this one for you. Now this is looks like this one. Free update, sign up now. This looks very good. Not moving anywhere till you do it. Or you can write free update, sign up now, and you can write not yet convinced, then wait. This is one thing, you can edit anything into it. If you want to change the text color, anything you want, like let's check out our blog theme. It is very bluish, so we can use this one as well. This is pretty fine. If you want to make it a more highlighted one instead of black, you can use any one. Like solid color is black. If you want to make it this one, you can still make it. Like green one, just not looking good. Yellow one, red one, you can try pink, you can try blue shades if you want to try. This is pretty attracting kind of thing, but you should do not try to get the user very blindfolded with these kind of things. You try to be very good with it. This is not looking good. Let's try some blue shade. It's still looking good. Guys, this is how we can make the changes in the form. And if you want to edit it, okay, you can make a change, image, solid color, or you have fixed image related to it. You can still put that as well. You can decide the colors as well, anything, like go into settings. This is about the form. Next thing is form name. As it is a fixed bar form, so we can use it fixed bar. We can name it fixed bar on blog. This is for my blog only. Next is campaign. Campaign is something on which campaign, like for each website I make a campaign, so I push every user into it. Next is, guys, opt-in, confirmed opt-in. So these all the forms are double opt-in forms. Guys, remember, double opt-in is the form when user fill up the details, he has to confirm those details on his email ID. So I will tell you how we can convert this double opt-in into a single opt-in form in the upcoming tutorials. Next is the autoresponder series. If you have made any autoresponder series, like here, sign up, get updates, sign up now. Like you want to send them blogs, you can send them those blogs as well through the cycles. And top and bottom, like on the top page or bottom. Next is display effect, fades or slide. How it will go actually. This is all about. Okay, as to then you can publish it. It is that easy. Now if you are not having again a coded if you are having a coded website, then you can use this code. Otherwise you can go directly to WordPress. Let me show it to you. Now let me drag another GetResponse. I want both the forms on my page. I want both the forms. Let's reload it because the data is not yet updated because I have just published the form only. So I open the first one and now it is, you can see it is loading from GetResponse only. Here are the options: fixed bar, form, blog, and you publish it. That is the beauty of this. You don't have to do anything to integrate of GetResponse. Now just reload this page. That's it. That's it, guys. As you can see on your screen, it's done. How easy it is. Got it? How easy it is to publish, to get a pop-up forms on your website. How easy it is. Let's make another pop-up form. If you are not feeling very good with it, nothing great we have done till now, we can make a new form. For that, you have to just go back and try another type of form, like scrollable shaker form. Like let's grab the attention of user. Let's hit him to sign up. Click on try it now to grab the user attention. Don't forget to sign up our newsletter. It's free and shaking will stop. Instead of that, you can write down download free email marketing courseware. Okay, at free of cost I'm giving it. At free of cost I'm giving them a course. Now I want their email IDs. Display second as soon as somebody come up on my website, it should be displayed. Display frequencies when it should be displayed. Like if somebody is coming, like if I select always, then whenever the user comes, it will be displayed. If I select one day, then it will be displayed after one day. Okay, between the two visits, there should be 1 day at least so that it should display the form next time. Third day is like he comes on 25th of December. After that, he comes on 29th of December. Then the form will be displayed. Otherwise, till 25th and till 28th, no form is displayed. It will be displayed once on 25th, not after that. I prefer it to do it always. Autoresponder, I have already told you what is the autoresponder is. Series, cycle, then click on save and publish. Let's change the form name as Shaker. Shaker for blog. And publish it again and reload. I am sure this time you are aware of how it works. It's just you have to get into get response and select the form out of here. You have to select the form like Shake Blogger and publish it. Now when you go on the website, that is digitalcareer.in/index.php/blog, you will find it here in the middle. Now you have 1, 2 and 3 forms over this page. If somebody not subscribed, he will subscribe it here. If not, then here. That is the beauty of this. They click on any page, they go anywhere on our website blog. 3 of the page will be there. Just I want to edit the settings, nothing else. That's it. In my pages, I have to edit that setting here. In my page, it is like that. I'm not sure about your website, and if I publish it, preview it even. Preview would work. You will be able to see it. Okay, Shaker, 3 of them. Anywhere you want, you have to just push it. Okay, nothing else you have to do. You have to select one form. That's it. How easy it is, guys. I'm taking bye-bye from this particular video, and in the next video we will learn how to integrate with Facebook. It is a new thing with GetResponse integration. So guys, have a good night and see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye. See you.